Sea divers, what are your horror stories? 1. Diving the day before a hurricane on a small South Pacific island, I suddenly felt a venomous black and white sea snake wrap itself around my arm. Apparently, sea snakes do this sometimes before major storms. They can sense it and look for something heading toward shore so they don't have to expend so much effort to escape the sea. As soon as I reached the shallows, it uncurled and headed up the beach, hiding under a breadfruit tree. I thought I was going to be bitten by a snake at sea, but it turns out I was just a taxi for a very calm but rushed reptile. 2. My biology teacher once told us about swimming in the southern Philippines, trying to find an elusive seahorse. She went quite deep at night when they're more active, but was suddenly attacked by a shark. Her team got her out fast, and the next day, they found a turtle bitten clean in half, shell included. That was supposedly the last time she went diving in that area. 3. Night diving is incredibly creepy. You don't realize how dark the ocean is until you're in it. 4. I wear contacts, so getting water in my mask is risky since I can't open my eyes underwater. Right after hearing a story about a shark colliding with my friend and knocking off his mask, I was already nervous. Then I saw a shark heading for me. They often shoulder bump divers as they turn, but this one wasn't changing course. I stayed calm as long as possible, but just before she reached me, I ducked. Instead of ducking under, I headbutted her right in the nose. Everyone saw and thought it was hilarious, and I might be the only person who's headbutted an 11-foot shark out of fear she'd take my goggles.